Mind blown? Very simple. Anything you want to learn about the Python, you can simply go to this particular AI, because even I am also not expert. Sometimes even if I get confused, I can ask that, okay, I want to do this. How can I do this part? Then it will give me the entire code for that one. Now we need not to remember the codes. Earlier, when I used to do the programming, when I was in my college days, to do the C++ programming or the C programming, I need to remember all the codes. I need to remember the syntax. अगर कहीं पे डॉट एक जगह पे जगह दूसरी जगह डॉट लग गया, देन इट इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. So what we can do now, simply we can type that part. So clear, Rutumbra, Yuvraj, Sunil, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let me start that part. Okay. Okay. So let's go to now get current directory. So I will simply press Shift and Enter. Now to create the data frame from the data set. Now how we can do the data frame? So we can create the data frame by putting the pd.data frame and then data is equal to data set, columns is equal to name and age. So now the entire columns that we have created with the name and age, the entire zip, that will be converted into the data frame. Now you can see how simply names and age, and as I told you, it will always start from the 0. So in normal case in Excel and everywhere, it will, the entire thing will start from the 1, but not in the Python. Python always start from the 0. So your coding or your entire programming should go in a way, if you want to print the first line, you need not to write 1, you need to write 0. When you write 0, it will print the first line. Now there is a possibility that you want to use, let's say, save button. So either you can, if you want to save, you can use this. If you want to add any cell, let's say, if you want to add any particular cell over here, simply you can type this and the cell will be added. Now this particular cell I don't want, you can type you can press a cut, it will remove that particular